Welcome to Chad's Adventures. Good morning! Day 6 of the Tour du Mont Blanc. After giving our legs a break in Courmayeur, we still managed to squeeze in some adventure yesterday, riding high up to the Punta Helbronner and across to the Gîte de La Fouly, where the views were absolutely unforgettable. If you missed that adventure, you'll definitely want to check out the link above or in the description below. But today it's time to lace up the boots again. We're leaving Courmayeur behind and heading back to the trail. We are back at the bus drop-off near Wildflowers, I think it's called. It is the name of the bus drop-off. Park Nuva. We're getting ready to climb up a hill. We are heading into Switzerland today, to the town of La Fouly. It's windy.
And cloudy.
And chilly. Here we go. Day 4 we went that way. And the climb begins. That's where we're coming from. Ah, these hills. I swear. We have 3 miles of hiking uphill today. Alright, we made it the first mile or so. Refuge Elena. So you can see where we're gonna be climbing. There's a line of people up there. Alright, we're got another 1.5 miles basically uphill. Just left Refugio Elena. Can never decide to leave the clothes on or take a layer off. It got chilly again, so I put it back on. Still gotta go up, up, up. Almost to the top. Don't let anyone tell you this is an easy trail. Make it work pretty hard for the views. The top of Col Ferret, and now we are heading down to La Fouly, I think. A couple miles, maybe 2.5, and it is cold and windy. Alright, going down. Did you warm up?
Getting there, my hands are still cold.
That sunshine feels so good. It's kind of a nice stroll after that climb up the Col Ferret. You can hear the cows down there. They're on that mountainside. It's so green through here. This is La Peule, not to be confused with La Fouly, which is where we're staying tonight. Looks like everybody's stopping here. It's about lunchtime. Terry and I need to stop too. We decided we were going to take the alternate path that gets you to La Fouly. And it kind of parallels the TMB, but it's supposed to be more scenic. Hopefully This is not a bad decision. These views are spectacular. Clouds are clearing. So this trail is probably a little bit more narrow and not quite as well maintained. You just have to watch for a couple of slick spots. There's some rocks and mud in different areas. But the flowers are amazing. Lots of purple flowers through here. It's so pretty. This trail parallels the TMB. I'm just not sure which path down there is the actual TMB. I like the way the day shaped up. Get the hard stuff done at the beginning. And this has been pretty leisurely. I really have enjoyed the down today. It's not been too steep. It's kind of just been, not too steep. This is the stuff you gotta watch out for. It's on a slant and there's moisture to it and rocks and a little bit of mud. This trail has quite a bit of down, but as you can tell from my breathing, it has some ups too. They did take Euros at La Fouly, but it costs €5 for a glass of Coke. It was a decent sized Coke, but €5. Switzerland uses the Swiss francs for money. We did not pick up any. All we have is euros. So it's good that they took the euros. And I'm hoping that while we're here in Switzerland, that we can use euros or our cards. So we shall see.
Oh,
look at these ants. One of the guys just passed me. His name's Aspen from Norway. He started in a group, but it looks like he is going to separate from that group and go on his own. So I'm not sure how he's going to do the places that he's staying, whether or not he even gets any money back for what for breaking with the group. But anyway, that's one of the drawbacks of a group. If you don't know the people that are going with you, the pace could be off a little, or you might want to do something and you have to stick with the group. So he decided he would go on his own for the rest of the trip. There's a little hut over here. Looks fairly new. Looks like it's using solar. It's called Pastures 2024. Guess our next milestone is this 25-minute ferret. What do you think of that? This trail is way less crowded than the TMB. There was a lot of groups on it today. There's 2 people in front of us and a family of 4 behind us. So not crowded at all. Made it to the bottom of our alternate path. We're back on the TMB. We have, I think, 1.3 to go to our Gîte that we're staying at today. Gîte de La Fouly. We are heading to La Fouly. We are about a half mile from our accommodations today. Basically a road walk from here. We are entering the town of La Fouly. We decided we're going to go ahead and use an ATM to get some Swiss francs because we are going to Switzerland after our TMB is over. And it is right next to the public toilets. This is our home for tonight.